Hello and welcome to the class of AWS. So today in this class we are going to discuss about Amazon Relational Database Service. So we are starting with the database service. Now Amazon Relational Database Service, which is RDS, makes us easy to build so that we can build up, we can operate as well as we can scale various relational databases in the cloud. So it offers us resizable capacity, and like here we can launch, we can connect, and we can manage and monitor our databases. So get started now. So here we have the number of relational databases, like we have Amazon Aurora, we have MySQL, Maria database, PostgRE, Oracle, SQL Server. So here we are going to select MySQL, which is eligible for free tag. We can select as per our requirement. So for production, we are having Amazon Aurora and we are having MySQL. And for development or testing, we have MySQL databases. So select as per. Now what is your we need to specify instance specifications here: database engine, license model, name or version. Now we have to select instance class. Like, what is the instance class you are selecting? By selecting as a micro. Multi-AZ deployment. Yes, if we want to have multi-AZ deployment, we have to select on yes. Otherwise, name, no. Or we can select no. Additional storage. Now, in this, we have to specify the identifier. Like what identifier we require to define, like my SQL 123. Now here, master username. We require to define a master username. Suppose SQL Telcoma is the username. Now master password. So after defining it, next step. So here for network and security, what is a virtual private cloud? Security group, availability zone, we can select as per the security group. Whatever we have, we can create, or we can choose the default one, security group. We have a database option. Database option, we can give a backup, we can monitoring, we can enable maintenance as per what we require. Now we can launch our database. So database instance is created. So if you want to see this database instance, this is the alarms as per. So this status is now creating. That means it requires some time to create this database with the name of MySQL. So for creation of a database, it requires up to 20 minutes. That means it will take up to 20 minutes for creating a database. So right now the status is creating. That means it is taking some time to create a database. So maximum time for creation of this is around 20 minutes. After that we can show monitoring. We can have instance details. We can see the details. We can see our instances. Whatever there is from the CPU utilization, from the connection, free storage space, input outputs, memories. So this is also now it is creating. That means it is taking time for creation of this. can set up the clusters, instances. Create. So this is